Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I carry the laundry to the shelf. I carry the laundry to the shelf.
I help my mother open the jar. I help my mother open the jar.
I sweep the hallway for my family. I sweep the hallway for my family.
I set the plates on the table for dinner. I set the plates on the table for dinner.
I water the plants for my family. I water the plants for my family.
I help my little brother with his homework. I help my little brother with his homework.
I bring the groceries into the kitchen. I bring the groceries into the kitchen.
I fold the blanket and put it on the sofa. I fold the blanket and put it on the sofa.
I wash the car to help my father. I wash the car to help my father.
I love helping my family every day. I love helping my family every day.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.